Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a teacher resource online called quill.org. This video is intended for teachers to just kind of get them a little introduction to the program. I was actually not familiar with this program. I just found it in searching for resources for this lesson, and I think it's a really, really neat program. One of the reasons I chose this is it is really detailed, and everything in it is completely free. Obviously they have a premium, but there's not like some other programs, things that when you go in to try to do it, then you have to pay for certain resources. So everything in the regular program is completely free. And I made myself a little class here to show you, and you can go through and assign different things for each kid. And we're going to go up here to activities to look at some of the assignments. They recommend you to start with a diagnostic tool, which of course makes sense, to see where the students are at. And what I thought was kind of cool too, that they have these different, they have starter, intermediate, advanced, and they also have ELL, starter, intermediate, and advanced. So I think that's a great way to differentiate instruction a little bit, because obviously ELL students, their writing skills are going to be different than English speaking students. And the goal of this program is to strengthen student writing. So we're going to look in here at their activity library. They have, as you can see, they have K through 12. They have tons and tons of assignments and lessons. And something that I think is really cool, we're going to click and preview this. Something I think is really neat, click select, is okay, first out you start with all the objectives, so that can help you match with standards. But what I was going to say is really neat is that they have scripts to go with each lesson. So I was kind of against scripted teaching before I started my program here at Fort Hays, but then last semester we learned about all the ways that scripted reading can actually be really helpful. It provides consistency, and it can also be a great resource for beginning teachers like me. So I think it's really exciting that they have scripted lessons. That's also one of the reasons I chose this as a resource. And as you see here, it has what you say, and then responding to the students. And yeah, it's a really cool program, and I recommend that if you are trying to teach a class that involves writing skills in any grade K through 12, to go give it a look, because I think it's pretty cool. Thanks, guys.